Tonight I'm going to show you my natural bug repellent. You don't need all of these ingredients, but if you use them all, then the bugs will not get you. But if you don't have them all and you use half of them, well, the bugs won't like it, but they may get you. But just try to stick to the ingredients if you can, but like I say, if you can't, that's fine too. So what I've got started here is a big pot, and I've got 4 liters of water in that pot. I had 4 liters of water, and I put 6 oranges and 3 lemons. I just cut them in half and threw them right in, peel and all, and let them boil. So I let the water boil down. It's to about maybe 3 liters now by looking. So now I'm going to start to add my ingredients and cook them into this is a decoction. This is a strong tea that I'm making right now. So the base is all citrus. Look how lovely it looks, all those oils sitting on the top. So everything that's in this bug repellent is actually so great for the skin too. So as you're using this bug repellent, your skin is going to love you. So here's the ingredients. We've got the oranges and the lemons over there. We've got star anise. We've got peppermint leaf. We've got cloves, rosemary, lavender, some aspen bark. The aspen bark is going to be the natural preservative, so it lasts for a long time. And also it's so great for the skin. Apple cider vinegar, witch hazel. My oils that I'm using is turpentine, eucalyptus, spearmint, tea tree, clove, and peppermint. So like I say, if you don't have all of this, just use what you can and add to it. All of these together will keep the bugs away totally, 100% though. So now I'm going to add in my spices. Star anise goes in. Cloves go in, rosemary's in. Ooh, lovely lavender. Lavender's in. Peppermint in. Now I'm going to stir this and make a strong decoction with this until probably at least another liter boils down. And I'm going to then I'll have my 2 liters, which is going to be my base tea that I make my repellent with. So I'm going to let this go for a while. I'm not going to keep the video on. Turn it up a little bit here too. I just want it to simmer. Okay guys, so I strained it. Here it is here. I let it go down to 2 liters. And then I strained it, and there's my tea base that I'm going to work with. I had all of my spices that I showed you that I dumped in with the lemons and the lime. So now I have this big container, and I'm going to add my other ingredients. I'm going to add the apple cider vinegar. That was about a cup. And then I'm going to add my witch hazel. About a cup. I'm going to shake in some aspen bark. This is going to be, let me just sort of do this, like, this is going to be a natural preservative. Hopefully just slow. Put that all around. So that's a natural preservative, and it's also going to make the skin so soft. It's so great. I love working with this aspen bark. I see there's some clumps, but I'll shake it up nicely after. Next, we're going to add some turpentine. I would say let's do about a tablespoon. I'm going to do some peppermint essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we're going to do about 20 of each. This one is clove. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 of the clove, 20 of the tea tree, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It may be a little more, which is great. The more the better. You can put 40 drops in each if you want, guys. Spearmint. Eucalyptus, 20. Okay. So now we've got all of our ingredients in there. Gonna give it a stir. Now this is the best bug repellent ever, guys. I'm gonna take a little sniff. Oh, if you could smell this, it's so fabulous. Just make sure after you boil everything that you strain it really nice. Strain it in a good strainer bag. Otherwise, if you have like still spices or anything in there, it won't go through your spray bottle, through the pump. So I used a really good straining bag, and it took like almost an hour to drip through, but it's well worth it. So this is the natural bug repellent. And have a good day and keep the bugs away.